Okay, so here we are going to discuss about three main Jat rulers. So first, the Jat kingdom in Bharatpur was built by Churaman, and it was led on by Badan Singh, and after that Suraj Mal. So out of all these three rulers, Suraj Mal is the most important one. So let's discuss. Let's discuss about Churaman first. So in 1695, a small kingdom was established by Churaman. Churaman was a Jat leader, and Jats were a bunch of tribes, and they unanimously elected one leader, that was Churaman. Okay, Churaman was their leader, and the Jats, for example, this is India. Okay, so let me just carve the map of India. So this is India, and this is Gujarat. This is Kerala and rest of the states. And this is Northeast. So basically, here in parts of Haryana and Rajasthan, these people carved out their empire. Not empire, a small kingdom. Okay. So this was the kingdom of Bharatpur. Remember this. This was the kingdom of Bharatpur. And these people actually started building their kingdom even before the death of Aurangzeb. Okay, so Aurangzeb died in 1707. Okay, before that, even before that, they were starting to rebel against Aurangzeb, and they nearly established a kingdom of Bharatpur. Okay, so let's discuss. Churaman, he was the first elected leader of Jats. He built the kingdom of Bharatpur in western Rajasthan and parts of Haryana. You already know where Jats are from. So then what happened in 1721? In 1721, Jai Singh, who was the governor of Agra, he attacked Churaman. Churaman was unable to defend the kingdom of Bharatpur, and he eventually committed suicide. Now after Churaman came Badan Singh. Now Badan Singh started rebuilding the kingdom, and he fortified the defenses, and under him he actually ruled for a significant amount of time. Badan Singh, under Badan Singh, this empire, this kingdom, actually grew prosperous. Now, after Badan Singh came the guy called as Surajmal. Okay, Surajmal. Now, he's regarded as the greatest of all Jat rulers. Now, the reason is he actually expanded the kingdom, and he is important in Indian history because he is actually regarded as a traitor by the Marathas. So for the Jats, he is actually a hero, but for the Marathas, he is actually a traitor. So let's explore why. So Suraj Mal actually ascended to throne in 1765. Remember this, 1765. Now what happens is in 1761, Ahmad Shah Abdali invades from the west. Okay, Ahmad Shah Abdali invades from the west, and during this time, it was not the Mughals who was the strongest power. In India, the strongest power was the Marathas. Okay, so here we have Marathas. So basically, they had the whole empire here. Okay, so Marathas from here, that is from Pune, went to check the invasion of Ahmad Shah Abdali. Jats initially supported Marathas. Okay, so it was something like this: Afghans, okay, Afghans versus Jats plus Marathas. Marathas were the greatest power. Now, due to some differences, Jats, okay, Jats said, "No, we are not going to fight with you." So it was again Afghans versus Marathas, and Marathas were defeated in the Battle of Panipat, 1761. Third Battle of Panipat, 1761. Marathas were defeated, and the blame of treachery was on Surajmal's shoulders. But it is actually not true. Surajmal refused to fight because the Maratha general, that is Sadashiva Bhau, he refused to accept all the terms posed by Surajmal. For example, Surajmal asked that Marathas should not take women and children in the fighting zone. Marathas actually brought women and children and many pilgrims from Pune with them. They were actually consuming the resources, and there were other terms. For example, Suraj Mal wanted to rule parts of the north, which was not agreed by Sadashiva Bhau, who was the Maratha general. And that is why Suraj Mal maintained a very neutral term. He didn't want to fight with Marathas because for some reason he believed that if Marathas were able to defeat the Afghans, he will be next. So that is why he refused. And later what happened? Marathas were defeated. So that is why for the Jats, Surajmal is a hero, but for Marathas, Surajmal is a traitor. Okay, now after 1761, he actually built his empire. Okay, but there were clashes with new Afghan rulers that were called as Rohillas. Okay, so basically, here is the Jat kingdom, and here in parts of UP and parts of Uttarakhand, there were some rulers called as Afghan Rohillas. They had a fight with Jats, and Surajmal was actually assassinated by one of the Rohillas. Okay, so this was all about the Jat kingdom. You have the Churaman as the founder, that is 1695 he founded the empire, not the empire, the kingdom. And then we have Badan Singh, and then we have Surajmal. Surajmal is the most important one because he actually nearly fought the Battle of Panipat. He is regarded as a traitor by the Marathas, but for the Jat, he is a hero. Okay.